Welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be doing addition. Addition in mathematics, specifically for primary 1. Addition. What is addition? Addition is joining two or more numbers together. Addition is joining two or more numbers together, or joining two or more objects together. What do I mean by that? If you have one orange and another orange and another orange, and they say, how many oranges are here? We count it. 1, 2, 3. This is called addition. Joining this orange, and this orange together to become 3 oranges. This is what is called addition. Addition is joining 2 or more numbers together. How can we join 2 or more numbers together? You can have 4 plus 2. What will it be? Some of you will say, I can't join 4 and 2 together. Don't worry. If you have a number like this, don't stress yourself. Count them like stone. This is 4. Let's bring 4 stones. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? It's 2. Let's bring 2. 1, 2. What is addition? Addition is joining 2 or more numbers together. Let's join them together. Let's count. If you are counting, you'll be marking it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 4 plus 2 is 6. Did you see how I added? 4 plus 2 is 6. If you have 12 plus 7, 12 is big number. Do you know that? What will I do? I will count 12 stones. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stones. What are we adding to it? 7. Can you add 7? If you can't, just count 7 stones one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put this sign to show that you are adding this stone and this stone. Remember, addition is joining 2 or more numbers together. Oh yeah, to add them, let's join all of them together. Count. How will you count? In order not to make mistake, count them and be putting mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's enter this one. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That means 12 plus 7 is 19. You will write 19. This is addition. We've added 2 numbers. Let's add objects together. What is this? One triangle, another triangle, another triangle, plus circle, circle, another circle, or another bigger one. How many shapes are here? We have two, triangle and this. Can we join them together? I know how many they are. You count 1, 2, 3. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, 7. You've added triangle and circle together. This is what is called addition. Joining two or more numbers together. Now, can we do counting and writing? Counting and writing. There's two ways we can add things together. We have vertical adding and horizontal adding. If you see something like this, 2 plus 5, this one is called horizontal addition. Horizontal addition. Why is it horizontal addition? Because it goes horizontal. It goes like this. Horizontal. What is horizontal? This way. What is vertical? This way. The one that goes down is vertical. The one that goes like this is horizontal. Let's do horizontal adding first. How many? This is 2. You count 1, 2. Big stone. How many? 5. Count 5 stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counting and writing, I have 7. 2 plus 5 is what? 7. Let's try vertical addition. In vertical, they'll put it like this. Put the other one here and tell you to add it together. What is this? 8 is going down. What is this? 4. How will you know they want us to add it together? Because of this sign. This sign means join them together. Join them together. Join them together. Join them together. Let's join them together. What is this? 8. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is this one? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Join them together because of this sign. Join them together. Let's join them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You come to this place and write 12. This is what is called vertical addition. This one is called horizontal addition. Let's do another vertical addition. One more. Let me give you 9. 9 is a big number. Plus 7. 7 is also a big number. And they'll give you, oh yeah, join them. Don't say, mommy, I cannot. Don't say, daddy, I cannot. If you see this, count stone. This is 9. I can count stone. Can you count stone? You put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 7. I can count it as stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, what is this? Join them together. Let's join all of them together and we'll get our answer. Simple. I have been marking it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Join this one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 16. You write 16. Okay. Here comes the end of our lesson today. Next time we'll discuss on addition in line form. Addition in line form. The one that will be like a line. This one is vertical. This one is vertical. This one is horizontal. Next one we'll do the line form. And it's very simple. See you next time on the same place. Thank you.